Everyone, myself Anita Shukla, Jamshedpur Women's College, Department of Geology. Today we will study citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle or TCA cycle is the same thing. This Krebs cycle reaction occurs in the matrix of mitochondria. A series of chemical reaction used by all aerobic organism to release stored energy through oxidation of acetyl CoA derived from carbohydrate, fat, protein into ATP and carbon dioxide. Sir Hans Krebs showed that this Krebs cycle reaction occur in the matrix of mitochondria. For this, he got Nobel Prize. There are 10 steps in this Krebs cycle reaction. In first step, acetyl CoA, which has two carbon molecule combined with oxaloacetic acid C4H4O5. It has four carbon compound and forms citric acid cycle. It has six carbon compound C6H6O7 in presence of enzyme citrate synthetase. In next step, this citric acid converted into acotinic acid in presence of enzyme aconitase and one molecule of water is released. In next step, this aconitic acid forms isocitric acid in presence of enzyme aconitase and by utilizing a molecule of water. In next step, this isocitric acid forms oxalosuccinic acids in presence of enzyme isocitric dehydrogenase. Here NAD reduced to form NADH plus H plus and 3 molecule of ATP is generated. In next step, this oxalosuccinic acid converted into alpha ketogluteric acid in presence of enzyme isocitric dehydrogenase and one molecule of carbon dioxide is released. In next step, this alpha ketogluteric acid forms succinyl CoA in presence of enzyme ketogluteric dehydrogenase complex. Here, one molecule of carbon dioxide is released, COH, NAD reduced to NADH plus H plus, and here 3 molecules of ATP is formed. In next step, this succinyl coenzyme A forms succinic acid in presence of succinic thiokinase. One molecule of water is utilized, GDP, PI is used and forms GTP. Here, one molecule of ATP is formed. In next step, this succinic acid is converted into fumaric acid in presence of succinic dehydrogenase. Here, FAD reduced to form FADH2 and 2 molecule of ATP is released. In next step, this fumaric acid forms malic acid in presence of an enzyme fumarase and 1 molecule of water is utilized. This malic acid in presence of malic dehydrogenase form oxaloacetic acid C4H4O5 NAD hydrolyzed to form NADH plus H plus and 3 molecule of ATP is released. Thus, for completing one cycle, 12 molecule of ATP is released. Here is 3 molecule of ATP. Here 3 molecules of ATP. Here 1 ATP. Here 2 ATP. And in last step, here 3 molecules of ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. It is a form of energy. Thus, the total number of ATP produced are 12 molecule of ATP is formed for completing one citric acid cycle. अब हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे कि सिट्रिक एसिड साइकिल का मेन फंक्शन क्या है. फर्स्ट, द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ Krebs cycle is to produce electron carriers that can be used in the last step of cellular respiration. Number 2, Krebs cycle is a step in aerobic respiration where ATP molecules are generated in large number. Third, this cycle consumes acetate and water, reduce NAD plus to NADH and produce CO2 as waste product. Next, NADH generated by the cycle is consumed into oxidative phosphorylation.